Senior NCP leader R.R. Patil has come up with the most shocking remark. When getting to know about a rape case against an MNS candidate, instead of condemning him for it, Patil said he should have been more careful before committing the crime, or at least waited for the elections to end. Let's listen into what he had to say.
ज़्यादा जानकारी तो मेरे पास नहीं है। इनकम टैक्स क्रिएट
काय पात्रा लिहिलेत आपल्या भागात मनसेने एक उमेदवार उभा केलाय। आज मनसेचे लोक मला भेटले, म्हटले आमचा पाठिंबा तुम्हाला। म्हटलं का? तर म्हटले आमचा उमेदवार तुरुंगात आहे। म्हटलं काय पुण्यकर्म केलं? नाही म्हटले जरा बलात्काराचा गुन्हा त्याच्यावर नोंद झाला। त्याला मिरजत लिहून अर्ज इथं भरलाय। आता त्याला इथं उभाच राहायचं होतं, आपल्या तालुक्याचा आमदार व्हायचं होतं, तर किमान बलात्कार निवडणुकीनंतर तरी करायचा।
And Pankaj Chabate now joining us from outside the NCP office. Pankaj, this comment was made in bad taste. It's shameless. It's sexist. R.R. Patil in the dock. This is not going to bode well for the party and definitely not for R.R. Patil. Remember, he's the same man who courted controversy in June this year with his remark on the issue of checking rapes, saying it is impossible to post a policeman at every home where most of these incidents take place.
Sanjana, it's pretty unfortunate, but the fact remains this sheer frustration that is showing on part of not just R.R. Patil but the NCP as well. Talking about R.R. Patil, he faces a lot of problems in his constituency in Tasgaon because NCP rebel Mr. Ghorpade is contesting against him, and there are good enough chances that he might take the seat away. Not just that, BJP in the entire sugarcane belt has very smartly and tactfully managed to take away the entire limelight from the NCP, which is their home turf, their bastion. So by targeting not just R.R. Patil and all the known faces of the NCP, BJP is flooring NCP on all the grounds, and this has become the sole reason why frustration is coming up every now and then. Though it's very hard to explain why a person of the stature of R.R. Patil, who's been known for a clean image on speaking his mind, would come out with such a statement. But then the fact also remains, that over the last couple of days we've been seeing R.R. Patil has been quoting controversy. Not just this statement, just last week when I was in Tasgaon itself about the entire Nathuram Godse incident, it seemed pretty out of place, but then he was going ahead with it, looked like as he was trying to gain some limelight. But this is pretty unfortunate coming out with such a statement, and as you rightly said, this is not really going to go down well with the constituents right now who are eagerly looking for some developmental issues to be talked about. But then since it's all become a bipolar contest between all the parties on one side and Modi on another side, NCP in its own bastion finds itself pretty isolated.
Absolutely, Pankaj Chabate, thank you for bringing us that. R.R. Patil drawing flack. Let's just listen into what exactly he said once again.
काय पात्रा लिहिलेत आपल्या भागात मनसेने एक उमेदवार उभा केलाय। आज मनसेचे लोक मला भेटले, म्हटले आमचा पाठिंबा तुम्हाला। म्हटलं का? तर म्हटले आमचा उमेदवार तुरुंगात आहे। म्हटलं काय पुण्यकर्म केलं? नाही म्हटले जरा बलात्काराचा गुन्हा त्याच्यावर नोंद झाला। त्याला मिरजत लिहून अर्ज इथं भरलाय। आता त्याला इथं उभाच राहायचं होतं, आपल्या तालुक्याचा आमदार व्हायचं होतं, तर किमान बलात्कार निवडणुकीनंतर तरी करायचा।